and let's go and see what's happening with the news so that we can understand why the market is trending and what's going on. Continuous job loss. So job loss, there are more job losses than expected, which is basically a deflationary market. So we can expect gold to go up. More people are claiming unemployment insurance, basically. So there are more job loss claims. The consensus previous was 1806. Consensus was 1828, which means they thought that 1,828,000 people will file for unemployment. What's actually happened is 1,833, which is more than the consensus, which means that more people have filed for unemployment, which is bad for the US dollar. Okay, it shows a deflationary market, that the interest rates are working. The thought process is that the Fed will start to decrease interest rates, and people want to then move their money out of dollar and move it more into gold then. Okay, so very interesting and clever to note. So I explain this in detail on my Discord, so when you become a student, you start understanding. So well done, Glenn. 15% per month, my friend. That's amazing. Well done. Excellent stuff. Okay, so most of my clients make 15-20%. That's the average. Okay, typical average is 15 to 20% profit per month, which is really amazing.